This video is going to take us to explore a real furniture factory woodworking scene. Open up our eyes for one of the essential skills that furniture factory woodworking must master: wood cutting and trimming. It's gonna show us how workers use various tools and equipments to complete these tasks, and the understanding the importance of these skills for furniture manufacturing. So, in the next video, which process do you want to learn about furniture making? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section.